A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we'll learn the iman-e-mufassal. Iman-e-mufassal. First of all, what is iman-e-mufassal? A detailed description of faith is called iman-e-mufassal. How to recite iman-e-mufassal? In this video we'll learn how to recite iman-e-mufassal. Amantu billahi. Stretch this alif because there is a fatha sign. Standing fatha sign is on the alif. Billahi. This one lam will not be bold. Billahi wa malaikatihi. Wa malaikatihi. Stretch this lam because here is a standing fatha and long mad is on the lam. Wa malaikatihi wa kutubihi. This one kaf will not be bold. Wa kutubihi wa rusulihi. This ra will be bold because here is a dhamma sign is on the ra. Wa rusulihi wal yawmil akhiri. Kha pronounced from the top part of the throat. Wal yawmil akhiri wal qadri. Qaf. This one qaf will be bold and pronounced from the root of the tongue touching the soft part of the palate. وَالْقَدْرِ خَيْرِهِ وَشَرِّهِ وَشَرِّهِ مِنَ اللَّهِ. This one lam will be bold because the previous word has a fatha sign. مِنَ اللَّهِ تَعَالَى وَالْبَعْثِ بَعْدَ الْمَوْتِ. Sa pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the inner edges of the top two front teeth. وَالْبَعْثِ بَعْدَ الْمَوْتِ. Ain pronounced from the middle part of throat. بعد الموت. Repeat it after me. آمنت بالله وملائكته وكتبه. Yes, repeat it after me. ورسله واليوم الآخر والقدر خيره وشره من الله تعالى. The translation of iman-e-mufassal is: I believe in Allah, His angels, His revealed books, His prophets, the day of judgment, and I believe that good and bad destiny is from Allah, and I believe that there will be a resurrection after death. This iman-e-mufassal is enough for today. Now I request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.